Okay, so I'm back inside my Trade Nation practice account. I'm going to show you how to place a stop and a trailing stop in here. Go and find a market. I'm going to use the euro versus the US dollar. I'm going to click on it, trade. This is a ticket, remember? And there's a little button there that says stop or limit. I'm going to go long, but then I'm going to put the little stop in here. Let me show you. So I'm going long at £1 a point. I'm going to put my stop in here, and it's asking me for points away or at price. So I'm going to jump down here. Okay, I'm moving the cursor, and it's moving in points away. Remember, it's all based on that £1 position size and the point distance. So look, you can see this is $18, and if it's in your British pounds, it'd be £18. So if I go to 20, how much would that lose me? Yep, $20 here. All right. So I'm going to lose £20. And you've got to work out if that's £20 of £10,000 account, that's nothing. But £20 of £100 account is big. Okay, so we don't want to be doing that. Now, I've decided because of my strategy that that's where I want to put the trade, 20 points away, the stop, basically, not the trade, the stop. It needs to go 20 points away, and you'll decide, of course, how many points away your stop is. And then over here as well, this is a profit target. This is pretty cool, isn't it? So you can actually put a profit target in as well. So if we're going to risk 20, should we just double that, guys? So we go to 40. Yes, let's do 40. So we're going to make 1. Okay, and we're going to make 2 here. Okay, so we're risking 20 to make 40. 2 to 1. Great. Love that. That's good. We can even want it to become even more. It'd be better for us because, let's go the other way. That will give us more profit and risking only a small amount. So here we're making 50 to lose 20. That's fine. All right, so what I want to do now is just show you this. And we'll literally do that one more time. And I'll go in and put 20. Okay. Right there, and then all I do is let's get into that trade, and we're going to buy the euro. Okay, we're in the euro. Good. This is, remember, an open trade. We're long £1 a point. The open price was 108.873. Current price is 108.70. So straight away, because of the spread, I'll be losing money. Don't worry about that. You know, you're going to be losing straight away, more than likely, because of the cost of the spread. You want the spread to decrease and obviously go above your buy. My stop's already in place here. Remember, it's 20 points away, so I can't lose pretty much any more than that. There's my profit target here. If I want to amend it, I can just go to the amend, change the numbers, and then just click submit again. I'm not going to do that. And there it is. That's my margin I need to have in my account. And there it is. That's it. All right. That's pretty cool, isn't it? If I want to change anything, if I think now, and this is one of the goals, you need to get your stop to break even. This is where it opens. If I can get my stop, it's currently trading at, the stop is at 8673. If I can get it to 8873, what does that mean, guys? Yep, it means I can't lose any money on that trade. So as the price moves in my direction, keeps going up, 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 I want to get my stop, making some money now. I want to get my stop, amend it. I want to bring it down, basically, to the number where I got into trade, 108.73, and then just amend it. Now I can't lose any money on that trade. That's what you want to do, and that's called managing risk. All right, so that's pretty cool, isn't it? And that is a trading stop, really. If I want to go in again and it moves another 100 points in my direction, well, I'll get the stop. I don't want it to be 100 points away anymore. I literally want it to be more than break even, so I can actually, you know, I'm making money. See the profit now? So if I start to push it up 20 points above my entry, I'm going to guarantee to make myself £20. So now I'm trailing the stop, and I just click submit. It's not going to let me do that because the price hasn't gone above, you know, that far in my direction. So that's really cool. I can use my trading stop. Here's a trading feature here. I don't really know much about this one, but this is, this doesn't really do anything for me. It's basically just telling me I can use a trading stop here, and every broker is different. And on this, I'm not quite sure. It might mean that every 11 points it moves up, then the stop moves up 11 points. Okay, but you don't need to do that. That's a trading stop. Just be careful on trading stops because you don't want to get too tight to the price. You just want to come in. It takes 15 seconds to amend your stop, and away you go. That's how you put a stop in. That's how you put a trading stop in. Another one here, quickly, if I'm going to be going the other direction. If I'm going to short, I'm going to click on open sell position. So I'm going to short this at 96.23, okay? Position at £1 a point. Let's go and put my stop in. Now it needs to be above. So this needs to be above the price. You see the price going 96.36. That's above 96.22. So it goes above. All right, so let's put it in at 30. So that's the price, because I'm short in the market. That price now is above. Okay, so because if it goes up there, then I'm going to lose that amount. All right. And once again, what you need to do is just go in there and you can amend your stop, change the point distance, and then just hit submit. All right, guys. Hope it helps. Look, I've made £2.10. Not even enough for a coffee anymore. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. I'll speak to you on the next video.